This is a breathwork practice for releasing anger. So place one hand over just below your belly and the second hand over your heart. We're going to breathe 2 breaths in, 1 breath out, all through the mouth. And so you can begin on your back, lying down. Make sure that your throat is open and you're not on a big high pillow. You really want that flow of air to be able to go through your throat. So let's begin. Just focusing on the breath. Your only job right now is to notice your breath. Just stay with it. Stay focused on it. Feel it in your body. Where does it go when it comes in? Where does it land? You can direct that through your awareness, through where you focus. So just bring the breath in, focus it in your belly. First breath in the belly, second breath in the chest. And then an exhale. And you can feel that breath. You can feel the belly rising. You can feel the chest rising. And then the exhale, and then the release. So just keep that rhythm going. Find a steady rhythm. Because it's right here at the beginning that's the hardest part. It's hard to stop the thinking. And you don't even have to try to stop the thinking. That's not the point. The point is to focus on the breath. Just let the thinking merge in with the breath. Letting the thinking mind and the mind follow the breath. And so as it follows the breath into the body, just let it follow any thoughts that are coming up. You may be having some real resistance right now. And just keep breathing. Your thoughts are going to try to pull you out. Your thoughts are going to tell you you're thirsty. You're too tired to do this. This isn't safe. You are 100% safe in your body. And we're kind of hitting head on here, saying that we're releasing anger. And so you might really feel some resistance coming up to that. But you just keep breathing. You stay strong and stay focused on that breathing. And let the breath do the work. Let the breath do the releasing. Soften around the throat. Soften around the breath. Soften around your thoughts. Soften around anything that's trying to pull you out of staying focused. You're doing great. Find that steady rhythm. And see if you can't soften around the resistance. Just like, ha, 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 ha. Just let out a laugh. Even if you got to fake it. Just ha, 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 ha. You're steering this ship. You get to move this energy and move this laughter the way you want. And then just go back into the breath. So, at this point, you may really be feeling your energy rising and your energy coming up. And that's good. That's your energy. That's what we want. Anger also gives us that sense of energy. But anger is an energy that leaves us depleted and really drains us of our life force. And in this way, you're really calling it in. You're really getting to call the shots here and raise your own energy and really feel how you feel and how you want to feel. So just keep breathing. We're going to breathe here about another minute and a half right here. So just stay with it. Just really feel your body, feel the tingling. And if there's anywhere in particular that feels stuck or blocked or like it's moving or tingling too fast, just bring your awareness there. Draw your awareness there. Pull your awareness and your breath into that place. Use your breath and awareness to soften those areas. It may be right around in your belly where anger likes to be stored, or around in your solar plexus, where our will really wants to dig in sometimes around that anger, the ego will. And just be really angry. So just bring your awareness there and soften. Ha ha ha. Let out another laugh. Ha ha ha. Or if you don't feel like laughing, grab a pillow next to you. Place it over your mouth. Or just, if no one's there, just just really let it out. Just let out a yell right from the solar plexus. You can even pat your solar plexus a few times. Just releasing that energy. So good. We're going to breathe about 30 more seconds. So really draw that breath down really deep. Really letting these last few breaths come in really strong. You're getting to control this. You're getting to steer your own ship here. You're choosing how you want to feel. You're choosing to release this anger. So just one more laugh, one more yell. Ha ha ha. Just whatever's coming up. Ha ha ha. Just let it come up and out. And then shift through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth with a sigh, letting the shoulders drop, the jaw open, just releasing any tension that's left. And then bring your hands one on top of the other over the heart, over your heart, and just breathing through the nose into the heart, softening around the heart. Allow yourself to settle. Feel that soothing feeling of the hands over the heart, protecting the heart. Just bring into your mind someone that brings you great joy, or it could be a person, it could be an animal, it could be the thought of a butterfly or a rose or a sunset. Just pull into your awareness anything that brings you pure joy and just that feeling of just the biggest smile, ease, uncomplicated. It makes your heart happy and makes your heart sing. And just breathing into the heart, just expanding that sense of love and appreciation and gratitude for that person. And then letting yourself feel what it feels like to be in the presence of that person. Allowing yourself to enjoy that company and welcoming that feeling into your body, emanating from your heart. Creating a vivid image of this being in your mind's eye, this experience that you're having, and just holding it in your heart, in your awareness, noticing it, exploring what it feels like in your senses, savoring that feeling of just pure appreciation and gratitude. Wandering out and then coming back in, accepting what's here, accepting what is here in your awareness, in your experience, and then holding it all and being with it all. Allowing any unpleasantness that's still lingering, but letting the gratitude and the appreciation and the beauty be bigger, be greater. And just holding your heart in this place of gratitude and love.